Montana had some intense wildfires this year. On July 9th, the Horse Gulch Fire near Canyon Ferry became the biggest early season fire, burning more than 15,000 acres. Days later, lightning sparked numerous fires in southeast Montana, including the Dead Man and McGee fires that burned nearly 20,000 acres each. By the end of July, the Bitterroot lit up with the Miller Peak, Railroad, and Johnson fires burning thousands of acres. The Johnson and Railroad fires came back to life just a few weeks ago and blew smoke across Montana in October. The end of August got busy with the Daly, Ratio, Mountain, Big Hollow, and Sherritt Creek fires igniting around the Bitterroot and western Montana again. In southeast Montana, the Remington fire started in Wyoming, burning into Montana, scorching a total of nearly 200,000 acres. According to the Northern Rockies Regional Coordination Center, Montana had 344,466 acres burned this year. 700 fires were started by lightning, and over 1,300 were human-caused. The average acre burned in 1 year in Montana is 470,000 acres. This was the fourth year in a row with fire activity below that average. Those numbers are not final just yet, as a warm fall with ongoing drought conditions has created elevated fire danger well into fall.